Yeah, so I think over the last couple of years, we've had 2 CAR T-cell products approved for multiple myeloma, so ide-cel and cilta-cel, which are fantastic CAR T products. They have very high response rates, and these are in patients who've had multiple prior lines of therapy, refractory disease, and have showed fairly durable responses. But there are some issues with the current products. So there's a couple of them. One is that they do require a fairly lengthy manufacturing process. So you have to remove the T cells from a patient, manufacture the CAR, and that can take anywhere from 4 to 8 weeks in terms of turnaround time. And many patients can't wait, particularly if they have aggressive disease. And then a lot of patients, even though they may have an initial fantastic response, they do relapse. And so we need to develop sort of new approaches to improve both the rapidity of manufacturing and then hopefully also the durability of our responses. And so there are a number of approaches that are kind of ongoing, and we've been involved in one of those approaches, which is a rapid manufacturing process, and this is in collaboration with Novartis, who are developing this CAR T. And it's called a T-Charge platform, and it allows for manufacturing in just 24 hours. So really, you can really quite rapid, and we hope that'll dramatically shorten the turnaround time for patients to get product. And we're presenting some data at the meeting on characterizing the product and characterizing the expansion that occurs in patients. Because the manufacturing is so short, we actually infuse a relatively small number of cells, and then those cells have to expand within the patient, sort of in the more natural environment. And so we're in the process of characterizing that expansion, what those T cells look like, how they may be different from other CAR T cell products, and how that may associate with clinical outcomes.